Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to charge JBL Tune 520BT. If you want to charge your JBL Tune 520BT, then you will need to find the charging port in your headphone. This is located on the left side of your headphone. So simply find the charging port. The charging port is look like this. This is the USB port. So simply find this port in your headphone in the left side. When you find the USB port, then simply connect the USB wire. This is the USB wire. This side is connected to your headphone in this, and this side is connected to your charging adapters. So simply connect the wire with your headphone, and this side is connected to your adapters, USB ports of your laptop, PCs, etc. When you connect, then you will see the red LED light will on your headphones, which is located nearby on the power button of your headphones. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.